Welcome back to Future for Learning Presentations channel, guys. We share creative ideas with you and others with the presentations technique. So today I'm gonna be discussing about natural hazards and disasters, Unit 4, Part 11. So this is the 93rd part of our whole series. So 7 parts left until we reach 100 parts. So we're heading to previous question time. So the answer for the previous question time is earthquakes and earth slips. Today's topic is gonna be for one of the causes. The topic is earthquakes. I'm gonna ask you a question. What causes earthquakes? The answer is a sudden tremor that occurs in the earth due to the high temperature in the interior of the earth and changes in pressure is known as an earthquake. Though the hazard of the earthquake is present in every part of Sri Lanka, it has not converted into a condition of disaster yet. But earthquakes occurring in nearby regions may also affect Sri Lanka. So, reasons for earthquakes. I'm going to ask you another question. Name 2 reasons for earthquakes. You don't know the answer yet. Here they are. High temperature in the interior of the earth and changes in pressure. So, breaking down the equilibrium of the earth due to the construction of reservoirs and large-scale constructions. Nuclear explosions, volcanic eruptions. Those are the causes for earthquakes. The damages from the earthquakes. Loss of lives and properties. Displacement of people. Slowing down of day-to-day activities. Destruction of cultivated lands. And destruction of vegetation and animals. So activity, question number 1. Complete the following table with damages from earthquakes. First column, damages to the people. Second column, damages to the environment. So, summary time to revise things. By studying this part, you will be able to identify basic idea of the earthquakes, reasons for earthquakes, or should I say causes for earthquakes, and damages from earthquakes. So, trivia time to learn more. Do you know the earthquakes happens in 3 different ways? So I will show you the 3 ways. By moving 2 tectonic plates apart. And the second way is by moving tectonic plates colliding with each other. The third way is by sliding 2 plates past by each other. These are the 3 ways of occurring earthquakes. So, question time, ask a question. Today's question is, name 2 reasons for an earthquake to occur. So, do write your answer in your geography exercise book. Answer will explain that I make the 42nd part of the geography textbook presentations, grade 7, natural hazards and disasters, part unit 4, part 12. So, hope you learned something new in this part. Until next time, this is me zooming out. Thank you for watching this amazing Colossal part 93 of this whole series. So, end of part 93 of the whole series. So, leave a peaceful comment, like this awesome video, And finally, leave a huge subscribe to my channel for more updates from Part 94 and so on. So, I will see you all next time in Part 94 and thank you for watching. Goodbye. Stay peaceful.